Hi there, welcome to my office. Today I want to show you how to convert to the format you would like to use it on a daily basis. First, when you dump a report, maybe the numbers in the text format, you want to convert it to real numbers. You see here, column B is the tabs, column C is the common text format. We will explain you one by one. This is the original data you want to enter. I highlight here, and this is the formula you will see you would like to enter. This is the final result. I just highlight them all. If you enter a text format, you see here the result will be updated automatically. The second one is the most commonly used format for dates. For dates format, there are so many different options. You just choose what you like. First, we have DD, MM, YYYY here in F4. And the DD means shows 2 digits of dates all the time. M means show the complete month formats all the time. YYYY means show 4 digits years all the time. Let's see here. When there are 4 M's, it shows the entire month. And if we change 3M here, it only shows abbreviation of the month. This is the difference. We go back to M. Compare row 4 to row 5 is the difference is I just added a dash in the middle. So others are mainly the same. Here, if you change M to 2 digits, it will only show numbers rather than the characters. Like 03, it will not show as MAR anymore, it only shows 03. Here I added a dash, they are the same. Also, you can add a slash in the middle. But in some format, you cannot use slash, you can only use dash in the middle. But here, when we have 1M and 1D, it means when the months and days only have 1 digit, only show 1 date. But if there are 2 digits, it can show 2 digits. That means maximum can be 2 digits. If I change it to 7-8, it changes it to July 8th. So this is the difference. Here you can also choose year, month. It shows here. You can add 1 dash in the middle. Next one here is the time format. The time format is quite similar with dates format. Let's see here. When you see HHMM, it means it shows 2 digits hours, 2 digits minutes. When you see 2H, 2M, and 2S, it means it will show 2 digits of hours, 2 digits of minutes, 2 digits of seconds. And here we see the difference of this one. It means that the maximum it can show 2 digits. If not necessary, it will only show 1 digit. If I change it to here, 9, 6, 3. Let's see, it only shows necessary rather than the 2 digits. If I change this number to here, copy this one to here, you see this is the big difference. The next one here is convert to phone number format. If you read your number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, you can show it like this. You just use a hash number to represent it. Also, you can add a bracket to show differences. If I make a little change here, I add another bracket here. Let's see. What's the difference? This is the difference. Just choose something you need. I can also make some change bracket to dash in the middle. Let's see, it's like this. The next one here is keep the decimals. When we see row 17 and row 18 are almost the same, always keep 2 decimals. If we enter 1, 2, 3, let's see, keeps 2 decimals. I copy the data here, it's the same. But if I use a hash number to show the difference here, it will be maximum can be 2 digits, no more than 2 digits. It's the same. It's only keep 2 digits. If you want to convert a number to a percentage, it's another option you would like to use in the future. Here, if I enter 1, it's 100%. You show here, it's 100%. If you enter 0.3, it should be 30%. If I enter 0.9, it should be 90%. The last one here is to keep the same numbers for one number all the time. That means if you enter 1, it shows 6 numbers here. If you enter 1000, you see it's 0, 0, 1000, but the result are the same. It's still 1000 there. The only thing is if you enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will show the real number. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.